In the life sciences industry, any variation in particles, pressure, humidity, or temperature can put production at risk. In this sector, there is no margin for error. With more than 50 years of experience in mission-critical infrastructure, Electrotécnica designs solutions that ensure uninterrupted operations and business continuity. Today, we are strengthening cleanroom infrastructure across Central America by integrating AI-powered BMS and EMS systems for automated environmental monitoring, while optimizing energy efficiency and operational sustainability. Our solutions also include specialized HVAC systems, HEPA filtration, and modular structures, all supported by highly qualified professionals, all aligned with international standards. Electrotécnica, keeping your business moving.